Okay, so this is the entire thing. You figured it out, okay.
Just go.
I'm gonna go up a step so they can't see me.
Just go.
Okay, look, listen
I
close
can't see you.
to the... Listen close to the story I tell. It's the rapping story of a living cell. It's a happy tune that's sort of cheery about a real tough topic called the cell theory. All animals, plants, and produce too are made of cells with different jobs to do. They're the basic units of all organisms, and I hope by now you've got the rhythm. It all started with one Jew named Hook, who had some cork cells. Took a look. He used a scope and took his time because his cell is small and thinner than a dime. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to learn some more? The animal cell has many parts, and you must know each one by heart. Like the fireman in the dell, the nucleus controls the cell. It gives out orders, kind of like a brain protected by the nuclear membrane. All around the cell, you'll find another skin. The cellular membrane holds the whole cell in. Its job isn't simple, there's no doubt. It lets some particles go in and out. Now, please don't lose your science enthusiasm. Listen to the story of the cytoplasm. All around the cell, this thick fluid does... Wait, what was it? All around the cell, this thick fluid does go. All around the cell, this thick fluid does go, but in the nucleus, it will not flow.
Will not flow.
It will not flow. And don't forget those ribosomes. This is where the proteins come from. This is where the proteins come from. The cellular membrane, or whatever, serves as a track to carry stuff to the membrane and back. Now, have you ever seen a donut without any holes in a cell? They're called vacuoles. They're filled with stuff like H2O and purpose so the cell can grow or whatever. Last of all, but not the very least, mitochondria, mighty cellular beasts. Since they turn sugars into energy so well, we call them the powerhouse of the cell. Now, my friend, you know it well. The unforgettable story of a living cell.